Hi guys, in this video we are going to start with tissue system in plants. Now tissue system consists of three things, that is outermost epidermal cells, epidermal tissue system, then the vascular bundle, that is vascular tissue system, and the remaining tissues fall in ground tissue system. So today we are going to start with the outermost part, that is epidermal tissue system. Okay, so it is epidermal tissue system. It is made up of the first part, that is epidermis. Now what is epidermis? Epidermis, it is the outermost layer of whole plant body. Okay, so if you imagine a stem, the outermost layer is epidermis. Okay, then next after this is you have it is made up of what? It is made up of epidermal cells. Now these epidermal cells are like this. These are single layer of cells which are compactly or tightly packed, okay, and they consist of thin wall, cytoplasm and vacuole. Okay, so epidermal cells are single layer of cells which are compactly arranged, thin walled, with cytoplasm and vacuole. Okay, now the next part of the epidermal tissue system, that is second one, that is what? Epidermal appendages. Now what are these epidermal appendages? Now epidermal appendages means parts. Okay, what are the parts of this epidermis apart from epidermal cells? There are root hairs in case of root. Now root hairs are unicellular elongated epidermal cells which help in absorption of water and minerals in case of roots. Now the second part of the epidermal appendage is trichomes. Now what are these trichomes? Root hairs are present in root, right? Trichomes are present in stem. Root hairs are unicellular, trichomes are multicellular. Root hair helps in absorption of water and minerals, and trichomes helps in prevention of water loss by transpiration. Okay, now the last part of epidermal tissue system is stomata. Okay, now stomata are basically the parts present in leaves. Okay, now in leaves they help in exchange of gases and the loss of water by transpiration. So let's see stomata. Okay, so first is epidermis, second is epidermal appendage, root hair and trichomes, third part is stomata. So stomata is basically the aperture. So this is the central aperture, that is stoma. Okay, a pore from which there is exchange of gases and loss of water vapors. Now stomata are guarded by stoma is guarded by guard cells, and around this there are epidermal cells. Okay, so stoma is guarded by guard cells. Now here you can see guard cells are kidney shaped. Okay, they have cytoplasm and they consist of chloroplast. Okay, so this is chloroplast. Now if you see the outer wall of guard cells, it is thin and the inner wall is thick wall. Okay, so that it can protect the stoma. Now it is also helping in opening and closing of stoma, okay, during day and night. Now then next after these are epidermal cells. Okay, epidermal cells, and you have subsidiary cells. Okay, these are present around the guard cells. Okay, I hope it is clear the parts of stomata. Now stomata is kidney shaped in case of dicots, and it is dumbbell shaped like this. Guard cells are what? Dumbbell shaped in case of monocots. So in stomata, the guard cells are kidney shaped in dicots and dumbbell shaped in monocots, and this basically helps in exchange of gases and loss of water in the form of vapors. Okay, I hope this is clear. So we have studied about epidermal tissue system, which consists of epidermal cells, okay, then epidermal appendages like root hair and trichomes, and stomata. I hope you guys have understood this. For next type of tissue system, that is ground tissue system and vascular tissue system, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. Thank you.